Emme from Little Sunshine's Playhouse and Preschool, Granite Bay, and today we're going to be scientists and figure out what items the wind will blow and which ones the wind will not blow. April is our worldly weather theme, so we get to do our experiment at home today since we are not able to be in our classrooms. I have a few items that I've found and gathered up from my house that we're going to test if the wind will blow them or not. We have a pine cone, a flashlight, a meatball, some leaves, sunglasses, and other things. I'm gonna put these over here. And obviously we're inside, which means there's no real wind in the house because that would be weird. But I do have this fancy cookie sheet, which when you fan it, makes a breeze. So I have two bowls, no and yes. We're gonna play What Do You Say? Will the Wind Blow It Away? All right, let's get started. Let's start with these leaves. And you guys play along at home. If I put something on the table and you think the wind's gonna blow it, shout it out yes. I won't be able to hear you, but you'll still know what you thought and we can see if you were right. Let's start with the leaves. Okay, ready? What do you say? Will the wind blow it away? I'm not gonna do that every time, but just to get it started. 1, 2, 3. Wow, okay, I'm not the best wind blower. Maybe if I was a little stronger, then they would have gone everywhere, but the wind did blow it away. So we're gonna put it in the yes bowl. What's next? Let's stick with nature items. We got a pine cone. What do you think? What do you say? Will the wind blow it away? I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Oh, nothing's happening. The wind did not blow the pine cone. It is too heavy. Mostly you'll find that lighter things the wind will blow and heavy things the wind will not blow. I got people in my house making faces at me. That's okay. How many people are you at home with? I'm at home with a lot of people right now. So this is weird for me, but we're gonna roll with it. Next is a balloon. I may or may not have gotten this from the school itself a long time ago. There's our balloon. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, jeez. We're gonna fan gently so no bad things happen. Oh, I saw it move. Okay, let's try again. Ah, that's a tough one, guys. The wind moved it, but the wind didn't blow it. So I don't know what we should do with that one. Let's put it in the middle. I have my audience helping me. We're gonna put it in the middle. Let's put it in yes. We'll put it next to yes because it moved, but it didn't blow away. All right, we got a pair of sunglasses now. These are my mom's, don't tell her, okay? Do you think the wind's gonna blow it? Make a decision. The wind's about to start. 3, 2, 1. Nope, nothing. I thought maybe that would happen. That goes in the no bowl. Let's try this roll of lovely green painter's tape that I made our perfectly symmetrical sign with. I'm gonna help us out a little bit. Maybe if I put it like that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it goes. Yes! That worked the best. That went all the way on the ground. Probably because it's round and it rolls. Yes. Next up, how about some string? What do you say? Will the wind blow it away? Let's find out in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's going, it's scooting. Okay, I'm gonna go with yes and not make my arm muscles sore. Yes, the wind will blow it away. Next up, let's try a flashlight. Now remember, heavy things don't blow as easily, but round things do. So maybe we should try this one like this, since we know it's kind of heavy, but since it's round, I don't know, it might roll. Let's find out. That's kind of a tricky one. Do you have your answer? Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Nope, nothing's happening. It's just too heavy. That's okay. Try not to scratch my mama's sunglasses. Let's see what else. Let's try our pencil. This one's light and round. Let's see if this one will work. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it goes. Wind's blowing it. Yes! Okay. Next I want to try this meatball. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh man! I thought maybe the meatball would blow because it's round, but it didn't because it's too heavy. Nope. All right, we have 3 more. Let's do this toilet paper roll, since you guys have a lot of these laying around, since all the toilet paper is obviously at all your houses. I'm sure you have plenty of those to test. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that was an easy one because it's round and it's light. All right. Other people want to make noise in my house, so I'm going to speed this up. We got 2 more. Let's try the paper clip first. 3, 2, 1. Oh, just like the balloon, the wind blew it over, but it didn't blow it away. So we'll put it next to the yes bowl. Last one. Let's use this expo marker. It's round. Remember, it didn't blow the flashlight either. Maybe it's too heavy. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is going. That was a tough one. Oh, no. Oh, into the yes bowl. And that's all I have. I want to know what items you guys tested or what items you're going to test. I've got a flashlight in the no bowl, a meatball in the no bowl, a pine cone and sunglasses. These items were too heavy or just not round enough for the wind to blow. But on our yes side, in our yes bowl, we have a pencil, a marker, a toilet paper roll, and a tape roll. These ones were round and light enough for the wind to blow. And other items that were light enough too were the string and our leaves, and some things that the wind could blow over and move a little bit and not quite blow away. We have the balloon and our clothespin. I think I called it a paper clip. So, play along at home, you guys. I want to see what sort of things you guys can move with the wind and get back to me. I hope to see you back in class very soon. Bye!